Maybe I am losing it. Dude, I just had the craziest experience on the way here.
Well, I can't argue with the fact that you are losing it. What happened?
Well, today I was on this side street trying to avoid road construction, all these spring road projects. I'm down the side street. There's a truck that says blind cleaning.
And?
The first thing that I think of is, yeah, the blind need jobs too. This is awesome. A cleaning company. And I don't know if it's ideal if you can't see to be cleaning, but it's a cool idea.
Don't start disparaging blind people. My second cousin is legally
Oh,
blind.
I'm not disparaging blind people. I'm just thinking that's not the ideal job if you can't see, cleaning. And who's driving the truck? All these scenarios fly through my mind in about a second and a half. And then I get around the side of the truck and it says blind cleaning, drapes, blinds, curtains. It's a fucking window covering cleaning company.
Get your curtains cleaned and support blind people. Ah, that feels good.
No, that would be ideal, but there's no blind people involved. That's just a product of my weird brain. I can't believe I misinterpreted that one.
Well, you convinced me. I don't want anybody cleaning my house unless they're a blind person. Maybe my cousin will do it. He works in tech. He doesn't have time to clean. Fucking bullshit.